Hello everyone, welcome back to Adventures of an Island Boy. Today we are going on a food adventure here in Guilin and I can't wait to let you guys taste what I'm tasting. Let the Guilin food adventure begin! Woo! So we were on our way to the Sun Moon Pagoda. I hope you watched last week's video to know what that is. When we saw a large group of people, and one thing you know about China, when you see a large group of people, the food is probably great.
Local food.
So since Losha refuses to say it's actually Guilin's matigo, called this because of the horse hoofs shape it has. It's made of glutinous rice, flour, and brown sugar. It undergoes a very special cooking method where the steam from the pot is used to bake it. Once that's finished, she bags it and then it's time to eat. Now we're having the matigo.
因为它的那个外形长得像那种马的蹄，就是马的脚。
哦，对。It looks delicious and we're going to try it. Yeah.
一口这么点的。
It's really good. I'm tasting the rice and the brown sugar. Yeah, it's very sweet. It almost reminds me of what we call pancakes.
Pancakes. Oh, 鲜饼。
Yes. It's very good and it's very hot.
Very hot.
Hot too. So you can come to the double tower and find her and try it when you come to Guilin.
正宗是一个老太太做的。Very hot.
Yes, they do that too.
糯糯的，糯米，味还行。那种红糖是真的红糖，不是那么甜，但是也很甜。就是它是比较正宗的，而不是那种我们在超市上买的，或者是在网上买那种就是甜特别多的那种，挺好吃。
好的，谢谢。Until the next meal. As I stand in the beautiful hills of Yangshuo, I thought, why not show you this? So it's very popular now as people go around and Dhaka. This is very popular. You go to the spot and you take a picture. It's kind of like proof to show that you were there. So I just thought I'd show you guys what it looks like. So there are fruits, mangoes, peanuts, watermelons, a pea for some reason, and just a mixture of a lot of stuff. I must admit I started drinking it before and it has a pretty decent taste. So it's not the best drink. The main purpose of these is to show that you're at that place, so you know you can show your friends that you came here, you're in Yangshuo. So it's very good. Also, I already had his, but he said the fruits are really good. So I'll be going ahead to taste the fruits. Good. That's a good mango. And I noticed as I was walking down the street, like everywhere had mangoes. So I'm not sure if that's something special to hear. Oh, I know what they were making. It's a bing fun. It's a bing fun, yes, because they added some jelly in it. One of my favorite, my most favorite YouTubers loves Bing Fun. Her name is Guilin China. You can check out her page. There's the jelly, the pea, and also fruit. So I'll be trying that. The pea gives it a weird taste. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, and there's also coconut in it. So that's interesting. It does not taste like the coconut from the Caribbean for sure, not at all. But it's interesting. So if you ever come or if you go to anywhere now in China, you can always get your cup and Dhaka. So on to our next food. For dinner today, we are getting some local Yangshuo Guilin cuisine. We are at Noodles Heaven. And today Losha and I will be trying some of the local foods. The roast fish, the roast chicken, and then the last thing we'll be having is this fish. You see it all around in Yangshuo, and it looks quite delicious, so we'll be having that. The spicy salt little river fish. We'll be trying them all and telling you what we feel about it. So, let's go. So the fish is very small. Smaller than, I don't know, like as small as my index finger. Very crunchy and delicious.
Not very spicy.
Not spicy at all. And it's one of those dishes where you can eat everything. So the head and the bones are very crunchy. It's a little bit spicy. It's very crunchy though, so you can have it all at once. So there's no need to spit out the bones or anything. And like any good place in China, there's always rice, tons of carbs for us to partake in. Here they're helping us to cut the chicken into smaller pieces. So it's really very big. This is simply done to make the chicken a bit more manageable. So there are smaller bits where each person can take from and eat. And then it is served for us to devour. And I'll be trying the chicken that they have. And it's quite juicy and interesting. So before okay, so before adding the pepper that they have here, it tastes a bit ibamba, a bit okay, but let's try it with that seasoning on. Totally more delicious. It's very good. I'm also loving the crispiness of that outer skin, and it was really baked. Really good. Yeah. I'm very hungry as well because we just did, and you probably watched it or you will be watching it soon, how we traveled around Yangshuo today, and we just finished climbing the mountain. So I'm very tired. He's very tired as well.
I'm very hungry. I'm not
Just hungry. Alright, so that's all we're having today from this location. Who knows what's next? So, on to the next one. The next thing we'll be having is one that we see everywhere on the streets of Guilin, and that's mifa. So I'll be having the mifa for the first time. Unfortunately, I'll be having a chicken flavor, so I'll be having the vegetarian flavor, which should be interesting. I'll probably add some spices to it to make it a bit more interesting. So I already added some pepper, there's lettuce already, and some celery was added as well. So this is a very famous dish here in Guilin. Everywhere. When I say everywhere has it. But this is my first time since coming that I'm having it. So let's see what the hype is all about. The noodles have this really nice salty taste. I'm enjoying it. It isn't too salty, so that's very nice. It has this really great flavor, and it's very long as well. It reminds me of the Biang Biang Mian, but it's not. The consistency is obviously different, but the taste is pretty similar. Then they add vegetables. So it's pretty much the same as regular noodles, but again, it has a very special taste, obviously. Unfortunately, as I said, they have no meat, so I cannot speak about the meat. I only can speak about the noodles. So the noodles are very great. Great with the spice and the celery all mixed together. It gives this really great blend that's really delicious. The next one I'll be having is one that I find to be quite special and quite unique. It's the bamboo food. One that I've never really seen anywhere else in China. It's pretty similar to what we call back home jerk food, but first the food is placed in the bamboos and then seasoned after it has been removed. We'll be trying this local specialty, one that I've always seen online and one that I'm looking forward to. Yes, so they have the soup. And this is the chicken, so it's actually cooked in bamboo. And also the rice in bamboo as well.
就是黏黏的那种肉肉的感觉，味道还行，有种那种竹子的清香，然后加上一种腌的味道，是死肉口，但是整体味道还行，淡淡的，我还挺喜欢。
And I'll be trying the chicken. So I guess this would be the best thing we could describe it as that we have back home in Jamaica, or if you've ever been to the Caribbean, is jerk chicken, but it's weird. It's been smoked, but it's not jerked. It's very hard to explain. But it looks quite interesting. To be honest, it's okay if it isn't as how should I put it? It's not giving what I was expecting because again it's been placed in that smoke and left for a while to cook, so I was expecting this flow of flavor at once, but I'm not getting that.
很喜欢这个，因为他们俩的那个盐打的很适合我的口味，不是特别细，然后也不是特别淡，我觉得挺好的。
So two different perspectives. He likes it. I think it's okay. I see.
我觉得这个特别健康，然后不像城市里的那种炸鸡，他们那种unhealthy，这个非常 healthy，适合那种喜欢那个健康饮食的人。像我这种学营养学的人，我很推荐这种吃。虽然有一个 a little expensive，but I think it's healthy and 你可以尝试一下。
Okay, so the next thing we'll be trying is this specialty fish. It's very local. Yes, it's called oh, it's freshwater fish. You can taste the difference between freshwater fish and sea fish. I didn't know until coming to China that there was a different taste between freshwater and sea fish. But you can taste the obvious differences. And I'll give you a close-up. I forgot to give you. So there it is. It's filled with different seasonings such as carrots and mushrooms, I believe, and just various dishes, various sauces. So all the food here is very healthy because you know, in order to take care of all the here, if you watch the here video, I haven't posted it. I guess you know you need a healthy lifestyle in order to maintain all that healthy long hair. But I think that's a good thing though, to maintaining a healthy life and doing your best to eat as much not highly salted food as possible. You don't want too much sodium in your diet. So I guess that's what they're trying to promote, because everything I've tried or I'm able to try is pretty maybe I was a bit tough by saying it's tasteless or without salt, but it's quite healthy as well. So that's it from this village, and I guess that's it from the food, and I guess it was quite interesting and still very eye-opening how Chinese always find innovative ways to present the food to make it more attractive to the consumers and to us. And you know, having people like myself who's from a different country coming here and being so drawn to the fact that, you know, food can be made this uniquely and just coming here to enjoy it. So I think that's great. So if you have the opportunity, I hope you can also come to Guilin and try this. You're always welcome to come and try this interesting food. Alright, that's it. Well, that's it for this week's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, as next week I'll be showing my last vlog from Guilin. Please come back as I share the secrets of the long hair woman.